All things in moderation. But before I continue, ensure that you're liking, sharing, commenting, following. I saw a interview with Usain Bolt. It's an old interview. However, make it using it as reference, and I won't be repeating everything word for word. I may be a bit off with certain things, so do look up that interview yourself. But nonetheless, the baseline of what was being said was Usain Bolt was stating that he is a man that loves party. He loves to party. He loves to go out and have fun. However, he is the fastest man in the world, and he has to train. His coach needed him to be training rigorously daily. However, he couldn't focus wholly on training because he needed an outlet, and partying was his outlet. He and his coach had to come together and meet at the crossroads where he would be allowed to party somewhat while giving his all to training. You know what came out of that? The fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt. You have to understand, you have to strike a balance. You have to strike a balance. They have a saying in Jamaica, all work and no play rather makes Jack a dull boy. You have to learn to strike a balance in life. Okay? Have a good day. Those are my comments, those are my thoughts. What are yours? Chat them in the comment section.